All right, let's get right into it. In one corner, you've got the reigning champ, ChatGPT Plus, and in the other, the challenger, Amazon's totally supercharged Alexa Plus. Amazon is coming out swinging, but the real question is, have they actually built the new king of AI? Let's break it down.
And hey, real quick, if you want to stay ahead of the curve in the AI race, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe right below. It seriously helps the channel out a ton. Look, we've all seen an AI write an email or answer a trivia question. That's cool and all, but it's kind of old news. We're stepping into a completely new era now. So forget just asking for information. What if your AI could actually do things for you? You know, in the real world, like booking your dinner reservations and your movie tickets with just one sentence. That's the huge promise we're digging into today.
So, what can this new AI really do? First off, this is not the Alexa you're used to. Amazon's calling this an agentic upgrade, which is really just a fancy way of saying Alexa can now be your own personal agent, to actually get stuff done.
Okay, so let's put it through its paces. Instead of just asking for ideas, let's see if Alexa Plus can plan and book an entire date night from scratch.
And here's the magic. You just say one kind of complex thing. Then, behind the curtain, Alexa Plus is talking directly to services like Yelp, OpenTable, and Ticketmaster to make each part of your request happen. It's not just fetching information anymore. It's taking action in the real world.
And oh yeah, it goes way beyond just one night out. This new Alexa can plan a whole trip for you, manage your family's chaotic shared calendar, find and save recipes. It can even hook into services like Thumbtack to book a handyman or call you an Uber. The whole point is for it to be woven right into the fabric of your daily life.
Okay, so how in the world is all this possible? What's the secret tech that lets Alexa juggle all these different jobs?
What is the secret sauce here? How can Alexa be this great conversational AI and an assistant that's booking tickets and ordering cars? Well, the answer is all in its core design. The answer is this really smart idea Amazon calls being model agnostic. So think of Alexa Plus less like a solo artist and more like a master conductor of a huge orchestra. It's not just playing one instrument, it's directing a ton of different AI models, some from Amazon, some from other companies, to find the absolute best one for whatever you just asked it to do.
And this quote from Amazon's VP of Alexa, Daniel Rausch, just nails their strategy. He basically said the goal isn't to prove that their own AI is the best at everything. Nope, the goal is just to get the job done for you, the user, in the best way possible, even if that means using a competitor's tech under the hood.
A great strategy on paper is one thing, but making it work is a whole other story. So how did this new approach actually do with real people during its year-long beta test?
So, did people actually like this new, more capable, and sometimes, more talkative Alexa, or did they just get annoyed and switch back to the classic version they already knew?
Well, the data here is pretty telling. During the beta test, users could go back to the old Alexa anytime they wanted, and the number of people who actually did that, it was in the low single digits. That's huge. It basically means that once people got a taste of these new powers, almost nobody wanted to give them up.
And they didn't just put up with it, they used it way more. We're talking 2 to 3 times more conversations with the new Alexa. And engagement on specific things just skyrocketed, like a 5 times increase in recipe interactions. Even music streaming saw a 25% bump. People were clearly finding a lot more reasons to talk to Alexa.
Now, it wasn't perfect right out of the gate. Some early testers felt the AI was a little too chatty or they weren't fans of the new voice. But to Amazon's credit, they listened. They tweaked the AI to be less talkative and made it super easy for people to switch back to that classic voice, which now has some cool new AI-powered inflections.
Okay, so let's circle back to the big question we started with. With all these new powers and really positive feedback, is Alexa Plus really ready to steal the crown from ChatGPT Plus?
So, the verdict? It's not as simple as saying one is better. They're built for totally different things. ChatGPT Plus is the ultimate knowledge engine. It's just incredible for brainstorming, writing code, and summarizing huge documents. Alexa Plus, on the other hand, is being built from the ground up to be an action engine. It's designed to connect to the world and get things done.
And when you look at the price, this is where it gets really fascinating. As standalone products, they're basically the same price, about $20 a month. But here is the massive kicker. Alexa Plus is now included for free with an Amazon Prime membership. That move instantly puts this powerful action engine into tens of millions of homes for no extra cost.
So in the end, maybe we've been asking the wrong question all along. This isn't really a battle for one throne. It's more like a race to rule two totally different kingdoms, the kingdom of knowledge and the kingdom of action. And the real question we should be asking ourselves is, in our day-to-day lives, which one do we actually need more? A powerful thinker or a powerful doer? Now that is something to think about.